Hi X. This is how to make a custom ringtone. You have to have these apps. Go to Google and search audio extractor. I prefer Redstream. Click choose file. Then photo library. Choose the audio that you want as your ringtone. Click extract audio. Wait for it to upload. It takes a little bit. Now click download. Click open in. Click the share button. Click save to files. Remember the first for numbers, letters, etc. Then click save. Now go to GarageBand. Flip your phone. Press the plus and go to audio recorder. Click the brick-looking things. Then the loop thing. Go to files. Scroll to find it, and if you can't, click browse items. Find the correct file. Once you get it, drag it. Shorten it if you want. Go back and hold down on your song. Once this pops up, click share. Then ringtone. Name it if you want to. Click use sound as. Click standard ring for when anyone calls you. Now go to settings. Click sounds and haptics. Look at ringtone.